Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. If you're looking to break into the world of affiliate marketing but don't know where to start, I have a fantastic platform to introduce to you today, and it's called the Wealthy Affiliate University. The best part is you can start absolutely free with no credit card required. In today's video, I'm going to take you through everything you need to know about Wealthy Affiliate and why it could be the perfect platform for launching your affiliate marketing journey. Stick around to find out how you can get started without any risk and what incredible benefits await you when you join. One of the biggest benefits of Wealthy Affiliate is that you can start your affiliate marketing training for free. That's right, no credit card is required. You'll get solid introduction to affiliate marketing and access to the platform's core features. This allows you to explore the site, learn the basics, and decide if it's the right fit for you, all without spending a penny. There's no pressure to commit upfront, so it's a great way to see what Wealthy Affiliate is all about. You can sign up for free today and start your affiliate marketing journey immediately. Wealthy Affiliate is more than just a training platform. It's a community. Whether you're just getting started or you're an experienced marketer, you'll find helpful insights and support from other members. The community is full of people who are all working towards similar goals. You can ask questions, share your experiences, and even get feedback on your progress 24/7. It's this sense of camaraderie and support that makes Wealthy Affiliate stand out from other platforms. When you join Wealthy Affiliate, you're not just signing up for training, you're joining a community of like-minded individuals ready to support you every step of the way. As a free member, you'll have access to some great introductory content. With a free membership, you get one business hub, 1,500 AI credits to use with Article Writer, 8 classes of core niche training, and one hosted website. If you're ready to dive deeper into affiliate marketing, the premium membership is where the real value is. With a premium membership, you gain access to in-depth training classes that cover everything from niche selection to advanced SEO strategies. You'll learn exactly what it takes to build and grow a successful affiliate marketing business step by step. If you want to unlock a wealth of knowledge and the tools to grow your business, upgrading to premium will take your affiliate marketing skills to the next level. One of the hardest parts of starting your affiliate marketing business is choosing a niche and setting up your website. Wealthy Affiliate makes it easy. Not only do they guide you through the process of selecting a profitable niche that matches your interests, but they also help you set up your website. With step-by-step tutorials and support from the community, you'll be up and running in no time. If you're unsure of which niche to focus on, Wealthy Affiliate's training will give you the confidence to make exactly the right choice. Let's face it, artificial intelligence is the future. And with Wealthy Affiliate's AI tools, you can really make a difference when it comes to creating content efficiently. Wealthy Affiliate offers powerful AI tools that not only help you come up with great content ideas, but also assist you with the actual writing process. Whether it's generating blog posts, finding keywords, or optimizing your content, these tools are designed to save you time and help you stay on track. Using AI to streamline your workflow will give you an edge in affiliate marketing, and as a premium member, you'll have full access to all of these tools. By signing up for Wealthy Affiliate for free, you'll get a taste of everything that's offered, no risk, no credit card required. Starting for free is a perfect way to get a feel for how everything works. Explore the platform, ask questions, see how it can help you grow your affiliate marketing business. If you're ready to level up, you can always upgrade to premium for even more advanced training and tools. Click the link below to sign up for free today and start your affiliate marketing journey with Wealthy Affiliate. So there you have it. Wealthy Affiliate offers amazing resources, support, and training to help you succeed in affiliate marketing, and you can get started without any risk by signing up for free membership. If you're serious about starting an online business, Wealthy Affiliate is one of the best platforms to help you grow. Join the community, learn from the experts, and get the tools you need to succeed. Don't wait. Start your free trial today and take the first step toward building your affiliate marketing business. Thanks for watching.